Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to make your Pinterest profile private. If you're looking to limit who can see your pins, boards, and activity, this updated guide will walk you through the steps to customize your privacy settings effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, look for the saved icon. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and then tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile. Now that you're on your profile, you need to find your way to the privacy settings. Look for an option like Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find various options related to your account, notifications, and privacy. Focus on the section related to profile visibility. In the Profile Visibility section, you'll see an option to enable a private account. When your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. Simply toggle this option to the on position. A warning screen might pop up, asking you to review your followers. You can choose to review them or simply click Not Now. Either way, your profile will be set to private. Making your account private is a great way to control who sees your content. For added privacy, you can also adjust your settings to prevent your account from appearing in search engine results. This makes it harder for random users to stumble upon your profile. To do this, go back to your privacy settings and look for an option like Search Privacy. Another way to manage your privacy on Pinterest is by creating secret boards. These boards are not visible to other users unless you specifically invite them to view or collaborate on them. This is perfect for personal projects or gift ideas. To create a secret board, go to your profile and click the plus sign, then select Create Board. You'll be prompted to name your board and then given the option to keep this board secret. Toggle this option to on and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully made your Pinterest profile private. By following these steps, you can ensure that your browsing habits, interests, and personal plans are kept away from the public eye, aligning with your privacy goals on the platform.